Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon MAXIFY GX5020 printer software on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a browser of your choice, and you want to search for Canon MAXIFY GX5020 support, and go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be for Canon support for MegaTank MAXIFY GX5020. Should be a canon.com domain. Go ahead and select that. And then scroll down on this page underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then after you've entered in your operating system and version number, scroll down a little bit further underneath software and driver results and select the master setup download. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up that file. If you receive a user account control prompt, ensure it is a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. Give us a moment here, and you can close out of the web browser. Select yes for your language as well as your region, and then select OK. And then just follow through with the on-screen prompts here to start the setup of the utility to get your MAXIFY GX5020 printer set up. It's going to see if there's any new update files available for the installer before proceeding first. You have to go agree to the license terms and then select next. And then make sure the printer is turned on and then proceed to select next here. And then if your printer is turned on, it should be able to locate it on the network. Assuming you've entered in the Wi-Fi credentials on the printer, you may need to go onto the printer itself and configure those settings. But generally speaking, just make sure the printer is turned on, the Wi-Fi connection is connected, or if you're using a wired LAN connection or a USB connection, make sure it's plugged in. And then you would select next to proceed, or you can also search by IP address if you want to connect it via that method. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.